Hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Today I want to shake things up a little bit. I am going to draw with a limited palette and I chose two colors, colored pencils, just because I like working with those, blue and orange, because I think those really contrast very nicely together. Okay, let me just start drawing and I'll explain why this is fun to do. So I came up with the idea to draw an interior, and it could be just my studio where I'm sitting right now, but I am drawing an interior from my imagination. Of course, if you are doing this, you can also look up interior design photos online, for example, or in a magazine to get some inspiration, and you can pick and choose whatever you like most to put into your fantasy interior. I don't know exactly where this is going, but I will just start with a couch because I think that's a good starting point for a nice interior. And as I am drawing all the elements that I want to add into this interior, I am alternating the two colors that I have. So I don't really have a plan, but I do know that it will probably be good to alternate the colors. Like if two things are together, closely together, they should be different colors so you can actually see what is what and it doesn't blur into each other. And as I go along, I think about what should be in that interior. On the desk, I have a laptop, but I also need some art tools, and I also need some plants that give some life to it. And a rug is always great for a little bit of coziness, and it's an opportunity to draw a pattern too. I think there should be art on the walls and books too. Well, anything that feels right. So I think you need to be free and follow your intuition a little bit, like get a sort of a cadence of alternating the colors and also just feeling free to add whatever you like. And maybe you will overdo it, but then the next time you know that you may need to leave some white space, or maybe not. It's just really up to you. I think this is just a really fun project to work on whenever I have no ideas or I don't know what to draw. So pick two colors, any colors you like, and start drawing your interior. It could also be a portrait, it could be anything. It's just really fun to draw with two colors, because one more benefit is that you don't need to think about what the color in real life would be and how to mix it, for example, with watercolors. You just need to be sort of inventive and smart with the colors that you have. And you can bring a lot of life to your drawing and it will have a really great illustration-like effect. As I said, great project whenever you need, an idea. And also, if you need more ideas, you can download a PDF which has 101 drawing prompts on it, so that anytime you feel like, what should I draw? You can just pick one from that big list. You can find the link below this video. Have fun with your two colors, and I'll see you next week. Bye.